Let's create a spider. It'll be fun. Take 3 colors of clay: black, white, and red. Let's start with a body. Take a piece of black clay and roll 1 big ball. Flatten it with your hands. Hooray! The body is done. It's time to make a head. Take a piece of red clay and roll 1 middle ball. Then roll into a sausage with your hand. And press ahead with your finger. Hooray! The head is done. Let's make eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 6 little balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. Well done. Eyes are done. Let's make pupils. Take a piece of black clay. Roll 6 little balls. You've done it. Pupils are done. Let's model a muzzle. Take a piece of black clay and roll 1 middle ball. Then flatten it with your hands. And make the mouth with a pencil. Hooray! The muzzle is done. Let's model teeth. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls with your fingers. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers. Hooray! Teeth are done. It's time to model legs. Take a piece of black clay and roll 4 middle balls. And roll them into sausages with your hand. Then bend them with your fingers. Awesome job! Take a piece of black clay and roll 4 middle balls. And roll them into sausages with your hand. Then bend them with your fingers. Well done! Legs are done! Congratulations! Now your spider is fully done.
I was dreaming of being in your collection. Which of my best friends do you think wants to be in it too?
소루바 흐주브